I know someone who scored above 90% in every exam, topped their class, but when it came to real life, they didn't know what to do next. No direction, no confidence, no clarity. And that's when I realized something shocking. They taught you how to pass exams, but not how to win in real life. You can score 95% and still feel lost because in 2026, marks don't matter, skills do. Let me tell you something most people won't say. School trains you to memorize, but life rewards you for what you can do. You can write perfect answers in an exam, but you struggle to speak confidently in real life. You can top your class, but still not know how to earn, build, or grow. That's the gap. And that's why so many people feel stuck even after scoring high marks. First, communication. If you can't express your ideas, nobody will notice you. You might be smart, but if you stay silent, the world will ignore you. Learn to speak clearly, write powerfully, and tell stories that connect. Because people don't follow intelligence, they follow clarity. Second, digital skills. In 2026, your phone is not just for scrolling, it's your office. You can edit videos, use AI tools, create content, and build opportunities from anywhere. The internet rewards creators, not just consumers. Third, problem solving. Companies don't pay you for what you know, they pay you for what you can solve. Anyone can learn theory, but very few can handle real problems. If you can solve problems, you become valuable. Fourth, personal branding. If people don't know you, you don't exist. Your skills are useless if nobody sees them. Start showing your work and building your presence. And finally, adaptability. Everything is changing fast. AI, technology, careers. The fastest learner wins, not the smartest. If you can adapt, you survive. If you can't, you get replaced. Look at this. One person studies for marks, another builds skills. One waits for opportunities, another creates them. One follows the system, another understands the game. Guess who wins? You don't need to be perfect, you don't need to know everything, but you need to start. Start building skills today or regret it tomorrow. For clarity zone, for real growth.